Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. I have to be a little bit quiet this morning because people are still sleeping. By people I mean Allie and Lincoln. But I want to do one thing really quick this morning, and that's make an overhead camera rig. I've got the cage in here, which if you've not seen that video, check it out. It's just basically an exoskeleton in my shop that I can drill stuff to and mount stuff on the walls and ceiling and that kind of thing. And today I want to mount maybe like a drop down arm that I can mount my camera on so I can take pictures of my new product. Check those out on Etsy. But I need something that doesn't involve me building a new structure. I think I can just hang it from the ceiling and it'll be spot on. So we're just gonna make this one up as we go.
In the night, you wake me up when the sun goes down. Feelings right, you wake me up when the sun goes down. Sleepless nights, you wake me up when the sun goes down. I can't help it, baby, not myself when the sun goes down. I can't, baby, I down. I can't, baby, I down. I can't, baby, I down. I can't, baby, down.
Okay, so I've got the swing arm mounted. It's just on a hinge, and you can see I put a little stopper there so it can't go too far back that way. And the camera's gonna mount on here, and then this thing's gonna be able to swing out of the way when I'm not using it. I need to make like a sleeve or something with the mount for the camera so I can like adjust it up and down. I've got two lights on either side, which is nice because it's not directly overhead. It's kind of to the side. So I think I'll be able to get some decent lighting with those. So I'm gonna make a sleeve and probably call this thing good.
Sleepless nights, you wake me up when the sun goes down. I can't help it, baby, not myself when the sun goes down.
Alright guys, that's it for this one. As you can see, it flips up out of the way. We're able to adjust the camera up and down, and I added this little swivel mount in case everything's not perfectly square. We gotta take it for a test drive. I think it'll work good. It's simple, it was easy. Thanks for hanging out. I hope you got something out of this one. Remember to always trust your guide. See you next time.
In the night, you wake me up when the sun goes down. Feelings right, you wake me up when the sun goes down. Sleepless nights, you wake me up when the sun goes down. I can't help it, baby, not myself when the sun goes down.